Welcome to Learn English with Faisal Hamid. Today we are again with spellings versus sounds. And we are going to start part 2 where C, K spelling come together and they produce only one sound, that is K. Let's see the words. First one is N-E-C-K. Four letters but three sounds. N, E, K. Neck. Neck. D-E-C-K. D, E, K. Deck. Deck. C-H-E-C-K. T, E, K. Check. Check. P-E-C-K. P, E, K. Peck. Peck. S-P-E-C-K. S, P, E, K. Speck. W-R-E-C-K. R, E, K. Wreck. Wreck. F-L-E-C-K. F, L, E, K. Fleck. Fleck. B-E-C-K-O-N. B, E, K, E, N. Beckon. Beckon. P-E-C-K-E-R. P, E, K, E, or er. Both choices are there. Pecker. Pecker. C-H-E-C-K-E-R. Ch, E, K, E, er. Both choices are there. Checker. Checker. Thank you for watching.